Hello, my name is Tina. I'm head of design of Victoria Designs. We have another junk journal project pack for you, the English Rose Garden Junk Journal Project Pack. Christy from the YouTube channel Faithful Designs by Christy used these printables to make a tutorial for a fantastic lapbook. In this video, Christy is going to show you her amazing lapbook plus the printables from our English Rose Garden Junk Journal Project Pack. The tutorial will be available in a separate video later. On her channel, Christy shares tons of tutorials and ideas for paper crafting as well as organization. Definitely take a look at her channel and subscribe if you want to learn from her. And now let's give the word to Christy. Enjoy.
Hello everyone, this is Christy from Faithful Designs by Christy. In YouTube, I want to say thank you very much, Tina, for the invitation to share with you a tutorial making a junk journal. And I'm using the English Rose Garden Junk Journal Project Pack. And I'm going to show you how to make one of these, okay? This is a Lapbook journal. And this paper is very shabby. So I incorporated laces right here on the spine. And as you can see, it looks like this in the back. I love Victoria Designs because their project packs are very easy to use. So I'm going to open like this, and when you open, it has two sections, okay? Here is the junk journal, and as you will see right here, I'm going to open. See, I didn't put anything right here, and it has little details in each page and lots of layers. Look right here, like the laces behind and all the papers, and it has lots of embellishments that you can use and create. Like, for example, this one, you can create a pocket. And I didn't use anything else from other materials except the dye paper and all the embellishments that it comes in the kit, okay? So as you can see right here, you can decorate the pages. It comes with these pockets. It comes with many things, and look how beautiful. See? So for example, right here I made a collage, and then I have room for a tag. See? Then right here another pocket. I made another pocket right here using the embellishments. And I'm going to show you how to make the binding and everything. So if you like this project, stay tuned and you're going to see that tutorial. Okay, look how beautiful. Okay, you will see that tutorial and how to make one of these. Okay, and here is another pocket, and this pocket comes with embellishments. And as you can see, these pages are stunning. So this is the journal, and look. See how many pages, a lot of pages, and it has only 2 signatures, okay? And right here in the center, I created this little notebook, okay? And right here with the measurements that I'm going to give you, you have room for having a pen for your journal, okay? So you can keep it in there. And on this side right here, you have room for pictures. So you can write and keep your special memories in this journal, see? So let's open, okay? It opens like this, and it has 2 parts right here. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay, right here, I make these flaps, okay? So you have room for big pictures. It's not little ones, okay? And I'm going to show you, okay, that it has right here room so you can put the picture all the way. And look, see, has room for pictures here and also right here. Then on the other side, see, there are more room for pictures here and here. See, then you open to the top, and right here there is a pocket, and you can save some tags. And right here there is a tag that holds these flaps, so you can put a picture here and write some journaling up here, or you can put another picture here. See, so it has room for many pictures here. And you keep these flaps with a tag, okay? And that's that part. If you visit my channel, you will see that I like to make mini albums. That's why I added this part into the journal. So I created a Lapbook journal, and I hope you like this idea of putting them together. See, here you have another opening, and right here there is a pocket where you can put all the tags that you have from the embellishments. And here there is a large pocket, so you can have room for more pictures. Right here you open and you have room for pictures, and I use this lace, but because it's clear I just glue right here so you can put a picture here. Okay, and see, you have more room for pictures. You have another pocket for a tag, and then you have more room for pictures here and here. See, so this is going to be lots of fun creating, and the tutorial, it's going to be long, but there will be a timeline in the description box, so it's going to be easier for you if you didn't watch all the video to come back and jump to the part that you were watching or you were following step by step. Okay, so I hope you like this project and you enjoy making one Lapbook journal for yourself. This is the English Roses Garden Junk Journal Project Pack, and as you can see, you will receive 6 pages of embellishments that you can fussy cut and use them for your junk journal. They are beautiful and shabby chic. I printed the 6 pages of embellishments in 110-pound cardstock, and I just printed on normal mode. If you want a lighter color, you can print it on fast draft. And all of the embellishments are so pretty. Here are the 24 journal pages. I printed them in regular copy paper, but I did it back to back. See, and then after you print all the ones that you like, then you can cut the white border and then fold them in half, and they are ready for a junk journal. All the pages are so pretty. The ones that are empty gives you more space for you to write or place some mats for pictures. All of the pages are so stunning, and you can use the embellishments to fill and decorate the empty pages. But as I said, you can print the ones that you like. See? And one of the best things to get a project pack from Victoria Designs is that you get a lot of images. You get 24 journal pages. That's a lot. And you can mix and match them all in your journal, or you can choose the ones that you want. See, and all of them are so beautiful. Look at these images. Aren't they stunning? See, and you will also get 8 full pages, and I printed these pages on cardstock because I'm going to use them for the cover, and I will use all of these beautiful pages to decorate the inside also of the cover and some of the flaps that I'm going to add to this project. Okay, the Lapbook journal. And look at this page. I cut them and I use them as tags so I can put on the pockets that you have in the embellishments. And for your convenience, when I made a tutorial, I added the measurements in inches and also in centimeters.
I hope you got a lot of ideas to make a beautiful lapbook of your own. And if you would like to make it with the printables of our English Rose Garden Junk Journal Project Pack, you can discover it in our shop. The link is below. And I wish you a truly beautiful crafty day.